Okay, I have been waiting for my box to come, and it came today. And I'm nervous, but I'm really excited. So, let's open this box. And let's see what's inside. So I guess these are the imprints that I took. They sent them back to me. I guess in case I ever wanted to order them again or in a different color, because they come in like 3 different colors. That's nice. So I don't need the impression kit again. There is Polident, I guess for cleaning them. And there's the toothbrush inside. And congratulations, start celebrating. Refer a friend, and we're here for you if you have any questions. Congratulations card. Thank you. And here are the veneers. Here's my teeth. I have space here. A tooth missing there. Top, I have all my teeth. This tooth was a baby tooth. There was not a permanent tooth up under it. So I always have had that space, and it made my teeth shift because there was no tooth there. Now, I want you guys to know that here they are. Here's the bottom, which is so cool because you see where I have the tooth missing. It's right there. Here's the top. Wow, they even have the grooves of my original teeth. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. Here goes nothing. They fit very secure. This is live, like my first time trying it on. Let me put a little bit of gloss on my mouth. My mouth just feels dry. Okay. Wow. 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 That. Wow. That is crazy. Wow. Wow. Do you guys see how different, and like the confidence that will come over you having a full set of teeth in your mouth, and like I feel amazing. And it is a little bit, weird to talk because you can feel them on the inside. Your tongue is hitting, but these things line up completely with my 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 jaw. Like there's no gap at all. I can I can feel I can feel where they are underneath, but on the outside, they literally go up to my gum line, which is that's incredible. That's incredible. I love them. Oh my God. What a confidence booster. I mean, like, sorry for the dog in the background, but this is live, okay? What a confidence booster. Um, what amazing pictures I can take now, and I'll feel confident taking my pictures. And I was talking, so you guys heard how I was talking at the beginning of the video, and there's a little change to it, but nothing drastic. Um, of course, yeah, it will take some time to get used to where it feels normal, but I love it. I love it. Thank you. No, 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 no. Thank you. Thank you, Pop on Veneers. Thank you. Thank you for giving me back my amazing smile. Thank you.